My journey to studying Japanese. Hi, Nihongo ga hanashimasu. My hobbies are painting, singing, and playing badminton. I have been learning Japanese for almost 3 years. Studying Japanese is difficult, but as the days goes by, you will learn to love the Japanese language and the culture. SPFL program no Tsutsugyousai to shitte watashi ni atarareta keikai ni totemo kansha shitteimasu. Why I started learning Japanese. My mother encouraged me to participate in the SPFL program when I was in grade 8. At first, I was kinda hesitant, but still, I joined the SPFL program because of the opportunities that may incorporate my studies. Haha ga SPFL program ni sankasuru yo ni susumeru toki. My interest in Japan leads me to participate in the SPFL program. Now, I learned how to speak in Japanese. However, at first, I couldn't even read hiragana or katakana. My Nihongo learning journey. But as the days goes by, I can define some characters with their similarities and differences. The following year, our teacher introduced grammar and kanji. For me, this is the most difficult part of learning Japanese. This is because, even as a graduating student learning Japanese for almost 3 years, I still find grammar in kanji very difficult. In the third year of learning Japanese, we applied confidence and real-life application using the grammar for our reporting. Reporting in Japanese eventually leads me to understand the correct grammar and how to create a proper sentence. The fourth year is about reporting and speaking Japanese. This last year of learning Japanese is the most memorable to me because we met our advisor/Japanese teacher, Ma'am Rain, the most because she let us experience Japanese activities outside school. This picture was taken when I was in grade 8 when we made an onigiri. It is made out of tuna, seaweed, and rice, also with a little seasoning like vinegar and sugar. This is when we attended the Japanese Fiesta in Manila. The most hardest part of learning Japanese is grammar application and kanji. Still now, I still struggle to identify kanji characters. This language forest map shows my journey in learning Japanese. We identified languages that we commonly use and identify what we want to learn in the future. I can use what I learn about Japan for future references. Like job interviews. I want to teach others about the tradition of Japan. I would like to travel to Japan and experience what it's like being a citizen of Japan. Final reflection and message to others. Learning Japanese is challenging but incredibly rewarding. This journey fosters your encouragement, patience, and cultural understanding. Keep learning, it will worth the effort. Learning Japanese pushed me beyond my comfort zone. I gained confidence and deepening appreciation for Japanese culture. Accept the challenge, rewards are important. Keep studying Japanese. Language is a bridge to new opportunities. Let us work together and achieve success.